Hello all. Today in Red Chili Pepper, I am going to cook an Indian dish which is very famous in northern and eastern part of India. It takes around half an hour to cook. This is basically called as baby potato with mustard paste. So let's quickly see what all ingredients we required for this. We need oil, salt as per taste, 6 to 8 baby potatoes chopped in medium size, 1 tomato chopped in small parts, 4 green chillies, mustard paste 2 tablespoons, garlic, 6 to 8 pieces of cloves, water, hing, and in spices we need fenugreek seeds around half spoon, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric and red chili powder. Take a bowl and add mustard paste, tomato, garlic, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. Once you have added all these ingredients, then you have to put some water on the top of the masala and keep it aside. Heat around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a large saucepan and then fry the baby potatoes. I'm taking out the fried baby potatoes in a separate plate. Now I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil in the same pan and then I'm going to add fenugreek seeds. Now we have to wait until it starts to crackle, and after this we have to add the green chillies and soaked masala. Fry it until the masala do not stick with the pan. So you can see that the masala has started leaving the oil. So now we have to add 1 cup of water. And simmer it for around 10 to 15 minutes. Once it starts boiling, add fried potatoes in it and cook it until the gravy thickens. So friends, baby potatoes with mustard paste is ready to serve. Garnish with some coriander leaves. It goes well with steamed rice or plain chapatis. So hope you liked my video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more such delicious recipes.